Access the Levels Manager from the toolbar menu or from the Levels local menu. Define the project's planes using the levels. Define split levels, lofts and mezzanine levels using the sub-levels. Define elevation and height for each level. For each sub-level, define the elevation difference with respect to the reference level. The substructure and roof levels cannot be deleted. Define the terrain origin elevation referred to the building's zero plane. View the elevation height referring to the terrain corresponding to the building's zero plane. View the levels elevation values relating to the building's zero plane. View the levels elevation values relating to the terrain.